Yeah, I'm just playing World of Warships Legends right now. Oh, why don't I just put something new on the channel? My no commentary series is actually canceled, so one hit. And we'll be playing this later with Cut Guns if he actually answers his freaking cell phone. Hey, I got hits. I'm waiting for this freaking thing to reload. Yeah, that's true. He's cold. Come here, buddy boy. He's locked on. Yeah, this ain't the best quality I can get right now. And just, yeah. The destroyer is always launched at me. I lost contact. Yeah, I was sick yesterday, so. But I wasn't even at the crib, so. Ooh, 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 ooh. I need closer, he's gonna shoot at me. No, Wyoming, this way, this way. Good girl. Wyoming does not have like a scout plane like all the other ships do, but I will be having. Are you chitlins? Oh, hi. Yeah, I see you. We have destroyers left. Or well, cruisers. Secondaries open up. That's it, boys. Give them hell. Really? Yeah, that would be awful. Wait. Guns, turn. Guns, turn. He's don't want to torpedoes at me. Secondaries, open up. Guns, hurry up, aim. He's gone. Can you just kill the ship? Yeah, I can. I have yet to get a kill on this ship. I love battleships.
Our victory is in sight.
Yes, yes it is. Hopefully I don't get copyright claim for this. Hey, what's those little guns of yours? I don't like torpedoes, especially since they've always been used on me. This is just AI. Yeah, I see you. Yes, yes. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Ooh.
Enemy severely damaged.
Oh, that's right. Right now, I am capturing enemy base.
Our victory is in sight.
Well, that was lame, but I do really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.